configuration and periodic table trends. Top questions and answers. 1. Wave properties and electromagnetic spectrum. 1. What is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation is energy that travels through space as waves composed of oscillating electric and magnetic fields. 2. What are the main properties of waves? Wavelength, frequency, and amplitude. 3. What does wavelength represent? Wavelength is the distance between two identical points on a wave. 4. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of waves that pass a point in 1 second. 5. What is the speed of light? The speed of light is 3.0010 ms. 6. What equation relates wavelength and frequency? C equals nu lambda, where C equals speed of light. 7. What equation relates energy and frequency? E equals h nu. A. What is Planck's constant? H equals 6.6261 superscript 3 Js. 9. Which type of electromagnetic radiation has the shortest wavelength? Gamma rays. 10. Which type has the longest wavelength? Radio waves. 2. Photon concept, emission spectra and photoelectric effect. 11. What is a photon? A photon is a particle of light that carries a quantum of energy. 12. What is a quantum? The smallest possible unit of energy. 13. What is an emission spectrum? Light emitted by excited atoms at specific wavelengths. 14. Why are emission spectra unique? Each element has unique energy levels. 15. What happens when electrons fall to lower energy levels? Energy is released as light. 16. What is the photoelectric effect? Emission of electrons when light strikes a metal surface. 17. What determines whether electrons are ejected? The frequency of light, not intensity. 18. What is threshold frequency? The minimum frequency needed to eject electrons. 3. Quantum mechanical model of the atom. 19. What does the quantum mechanical model describe? The probable location of electrons and atoms. 20. What is an orbital? A region of space where an electron is most likely found. 21. How many electrons can occupy one orbital? 2 electrons. 22. What rule describes this limit? Pauli exclusion principle. 23. What are the 4 types of orbitals? S, P, D, F. 24. How many orbitals are in an s subshell? 1 orbital. 25. How many orbitals are in a p subshell? 3 orbitals. 26. How many orbitals are in a d subshell? 5 orbitals. 27. How many orbitals are in an f subshell? 7 orbitals. 4. Electron configuration and orbital filling. 28. What is the Aufbau principle? Electrons fill lowest energy orbitals first. 29. What does Hund's rule state? Electrons occupy orbitals singly before pairing. 30. What is the Pauli exclusion principle? No 2 electrons have identical quantum numbers. 31. What is the electron configuration of hydrogen? 1 superscript 1. 32. What is the electron configuration of helium? S sobrescrito 2. 33. What is the electron configuration of carbon? 1 is superscript 2, 2s superscript 2, 2p superscript 2. 34. What is the electron configuration of neon? 1 is superscript 2, 2s superscript 2, 2p. 35. What is the electron configuration of sodium? 1 is superscript 2, 2s superscript 2, 2p 3s superscript 1. 36. What is the electron configuration of argon? 5 electron configuration exceptions. 37 Why do some elements break the Aufbau order? Half-filled or fully filled subshells are more stable. 38 What is the electron configuration exception for chromium? For a superscript 1 3D. 39 What is the electron configuration exception for copper? For a superscript 1 3D superscript 1. 6 Electron configurations of ions. 40 What happens to electron configuration when forming cations? Electrons are removed. 41 From which orbital are electrons removed first in transition metals? 4's electrons are removed before 3D. 42 What is the configuration of Na? 1s superscript 2 2s superscript 2 2p. 43 What is the configuration of Cl? 7 quantum numbers. 44 What are the 4 quantum numbers? NLMM. 45 What does the principal quantum number represent? Energy level. 46 What does the angular momentum quantum number represent? Orbital shape. 47 What does the magnetic quantum number represent? Orbital orientation. 48 What does the spin quantum number represent? Electron spin. Periodic table development. 49 Who developed the first periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. He arranged elements by increasing atomic mass and similar properties. 50 What determines the modern arrangement of the periodic table?